All aboard! Hello, and just a quick unboxing video. More to let people know I'm still out here. And I'm still gonna be continuing with my channel. Just recently other things have got in the way, such as work and holidays and just general life in general. You know. And stops you doing the fun things in life. And I'm doing a quick unboxing because I got a real bargain for 22 quid. And well, some may think it's not a bargain. They may have thought I should have given them 22 quid to take them away. But hey ho, one man's opinion's different to another. We all have the same opinion. We'd all buy a Flying Scotsman. Oh, wait a minute. I think there's something I'm not telling you. Anyway, let's carry on. We've got a bit of negative space here. More 'cause me Alzheimer's. I forgot what I was doing. But you can also see the nice modern days like pronouns shelving I have. I prefer to be known as Mr. Shaky Hands the Grand Master Ramrod the Third, incognito at Pimpy Towers. And if you don't call me it, you're a fascist. Anyway, here we go. And any prizes for guessing what it is? Can you see what it's gonna be yet? Oh, hang on, wait a minute. He was agreed to wanna do the elf on your shelf and work it out. And there we go, that's a princess class. I'm just using it for parts, I'm not gonna do anything with it. There's a far nicer princess made later. But here I'm using this for parts. Well, that's all it is, there's no tender. But I have one I need some parts that came with it. You'll see very soon, but it's a Skying Flotsman. And there we are it. All things considered, it's not too bad a body, that. I don't want it myself, so it may go on eBay. I want parts. I might take the parts I want and put the rest on eBay. I bought it, so I'll just put a no starting price. Or a 99p starting price, whatever the lowest starting price you can have. Price to sell. And here we go. This was one of the ones that intrigued me. I've wanted one for a bit. And it's mostly there, there's a few bits, but it'll repair up and stuff, and I think they're a nice. I love 4Fs, so it's very close to a 4F. It's actually a 3F, but it's very close to a Fowler 4F. In fact, it may well actually be that. I'm not. Well, I know a bit about steam locos, but I'm not encyclopedic. But here we go. There were a Triumph class 31. It needs a bit of a glue, a bit of a clean up, some flush glaze and a bumper buffer, but it can be made nice. can be made nice, and it's another runner. It's been heavily weathered, they've overdone it on the black. But here's another good one. Forget the wheels, they'll clean up, no problem. We can clean them up in a tad. Take them out and clean them out, but the rest of the model is immaculate. There's no pieces broken off. And all the cars have the Mercedes badges still on top of the radiator grills. So you'd have expected them to be broken off. But no, it's all in really nice condition. Here I am trying to focus in my camera so you can see the Mercedes arrows badges on top. But here's what I really wanted. Not the block, that's well, it's probably a useful spur for weight for a loco, but the screws, they're always useful. An insulating pad, that's useful if you're doing triang. A Princess cylinder block, that can definitely go on eBay. Anybody restoring a Princess. It's a part that gets broken, but that leads me on to what I really bidded for in the lot. I've got a motion bracket for the Flying Scotsman, and I don't think many people spotted this, because I paid 22 quid for the whole lot, and unbroken one of them is 15 quid upwards on eBay. So the rest is, as you say, gravy, because that's an unbroken Flying Scotsman, original Triang Hornby one, which they asked silly money for. And it was just at the top of the listing. I think people probably looked at the Flying Scotsman and saw it didn't have the block on and didn't look further. I don't know why, but I think it's a cracking lot for 22 quid. Especially considering the condition of the Lima. That's a beautiful model by itself, considering you have all the cars and unbroken badges. I think I've done well on that. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you will, give us a thumbs up. Even better, subscribe. Share the video even. And tatty pie, people. Tatty pie.